In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to view and download the Absa Bank statement. So I'm in the Absa Bank website. Depending on your location, since Absa Bank are actually available in Africa, so depending on your location, since I'm doing this video for South Africa, but all the steps are the same. Your website will depend on your location. So this is absa.co.za for South Africa, but all the layouts are the same. So to view your bank statement, just come to this website and select login. So just select login to log into your online banking or internet banking. After selecting online banking, then choose Absa Online. So just choose Absa Online depending on your account. This is a personal account. Then click next. So a new page will open. Just wait a little bit. Yes, a new page will open. Depending on your internet connection, you will need to log in. So you'll log in using your access account number, your PIN, and you'll enter your user number. If you don't know these details, it is best to ask to your customer service banking and it can guide you. So these are the you log in using these details. So after logging, then on the Express tab, select account you would like to view. So on the Express tab after login, you'll just select the account you'd like to view, then click statement, then click on achieve statement. Then you'll just select a month or range, then select the required statement, then click the download icon. Then click continue on the pop-up to accept changes or click on the pop-up to accept charges. The statement will appear on the screen. Then click download to print or save to your computer. Your statement is now successfully downloaded. Always log out after using your online account. So your statement is available on the Absa Online Banking on the Express tab. So after login on the Express tab, you will see statement. You can just choose the date and you'll be able to download it. So thanks so much for watching and see you next time.